In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your published calendar link in Outlook Web. To get started, open your web browser and go to outlook.live.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Outlook account if you are not already signed in. Make sure you are using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one inbox or calendar, because the published link you copy will belong to the calendar connected to the account you currently have open. After you're inside Outlook Web, look toward the upper area of the screen for the settings icon. This is the small gear symbol. Click that gear to open the Quick Settings panel. From there, you'll want to choose View All Outlook Settings. This opens the full settings menu where you can access more detailed options beyond the basic shortcuts shown in the smaller panel. In the full settings window, find and select Calendar. This section contains the settings related to how your calendar works, how it appears, and how it can be shared or published. After clicking Calendar, choose Shared Calendars. This is where Outlook lets you manage calendar sharing options and access published links. Now look for the section labeled Publish a Calendar. In this area, Outlook provides links that can be used to share your calendar with other apps, websites, or people, depending on how you plan to use it. You may see different link formats available here, including an HTML link and an ICS link. If you want a calendar link that opens in a browser, copy the HTML link. If you want a link that can be subscribed to in another calendar application, copy the ICS link instead. Take a moment to choose the format that matches your goal so you don't have to come back and change it later. To copy the link, simply select the one you need and use the copy option provided, or highlight the link and copy it manually if necessary. Once copied, you can paste it wherever you need, such as another calendar tool, a website field, or a document for later use. That's it. You've successfully opened Outlook Web, gone into the calendar settings, accessed shared calendar options, and copied your published calendar link. If you're following along while updating a connected app or service, keep the copied link handy so you can paste it directly into the next step without losing it.